Hey guys, Thomas Talon here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to give you a walkthrough on this beautiful 2026 Yamaha AR250 that just arrived. Guys, can't stress enough how beautiful this package looks. Full black hull, looks great with the matching black trailer and black rub rail, black frame on your window, and black water sports tower. Comes together beautifully. You'll see that this boat's got pop-up cleats in the bow, midship, and aft. Let's take a look at the back. Taking a look at the Yamaha, guys, you'll see that they've got this big open swim platform. I can't stress enough how great this is. Perfect for entertaining, hanging out. This is where all the fellowship goes down. Water levels nice and low right here. Extra stereo controls. Plenty of cup holders. Mount for your table. One of the best spots for hanging out. Additional speakers with a 12-volt direct current plug-in. Nice stainless steel telescoping ladder to help climb in and out, and a nice transom walkthrough. Let's take a look at the inside. All right, guys, welcome aboard. Taking a look at the bow, you'll see a ton of open room up here. Plenty of storage underneath all your seats for all your safety gear, life jackets, and day bags. Additional cup holders on the side. Nice grab rails with stereo speakers for your listening pleasure. Nice step up to get up here to the front. Excellent for jumping off and diving. Also, in your anchor locker, you have an additional telescoping ladder to board from the front as well. Walking back, you'll see that we've got an air door. Perfect to close off on your cooler days when you're boating and shut this windshield. Additional storage underneath this console. Ton of in-the-floor storage for water skis and wakeboards. Nice large compartment here. Perfect for a potty or any additional storage that you may need. You'll see that this boat's equipped with the side-by-side captain's chairs. The driver's helm has a nice bolster to see over the top here. Taking a look at the helm, you'll see you've got your Yamaha Connect screen, wireless charger, extra quick gauges that also correspond with this for all your systems on board, with your bilge pump and your horn located right here nicely up front. Twin engine binnacles, nice tilt on your steering. Taking a look at the cockpit, you'll see plenty of wraparound seating with storage underneath it as well. Nice bimini top that gives you coverage up to your windshield that connects into your water sports tower. For more information, please give us a call or stop by your Greenville, South Carolina showroom. Thank you.